வைக்க வேண்டாமா வரும்போது பார்க்கறதுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிங்கன்னா வீட்டில் வச்சுட்டு வந்து பரவாயில்ல எங்கேயோ வச்சுட்டு வந்து அந்த பேப்பர்
Same thing was done to her brother also. That was the usual format.
May I commence the proceedings, my lord? Tamil Thai வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
My lord, now I read the notification issued by the Government of India. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Class 1 of Article 222 of the Constitution of India, the President, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, is pleased to transfer 1 Sri Justice Bhattu Devanand, Judge, Andhra Pradesh High Court, and 2 Dr. Justice Devaraju Nagarjun, Judge, Telangana High Court, as judges of the Madras High Court, and to direct them to assume charge of their respective offices in the Madras High Court. Signed, Rajinder Kaishyap, Additional Secretary to the Government of India. I read the authorization given by Hon'ble the Governor of Tamil Nadu. Under Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, R. N. Ravi, Governor of Tamil Nadu, hereby authorize you, Mr. Justice T. Raja, Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, to administer oath of office in the appropriate form to Mr. Justice Battu Devanand, Judge of Andhra Pradesh High Court, and Dr. Justice Devaraju Nagarjun, Judge of Telangana High Court, as judges of the Madras High Court. Signed, R.N. Ravi. I request the Honorable Thiru Justice Battu Devanand to take oath of office.
I, Justice Battu Devanand,
having been transferred as a judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been transferred as Judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Thank you, my lord. I request the learned Advocate General to give welcome address.
My lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court, Honorable Justice Thiru Battu Devanand, Madam Padma Devanand, family members and friends of the Honorable Justice Thiru Battu Devanand, Honorable Justices Thiruvalargal Manmadha Rao and Rajashekha from Andhra Pradesh High Court, and Honorable Justice's brother, Thiru B.R. Ambedkar, IAS, Learned Additional Solicitor General, Southern Zone, Thiru Shankaranarayanan, Learned Additional Solicitor General, Madras, Thiru Sundaresan, Learned Additional Advocate Generals, Thiruvalargal Aza Nazuruddin, Silambandan, Veera Kadiraban, Ramanlal, Arun, R. Bhaskaran, P. Kumaresan, R. Neelangandan and J. Rabindran, Learned State Public Prosecutor Thiru Hassan Mohammed Jinnah, Learned State Government Pleader Thiru Muthukumar, Learned Government Pleader Madurai Thiru Tilakumar, Learned Government Law Officers of Tamil Nadu at the Principal Bench and the Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court, Learned Public Prosecutor of Puducherry Thiru Mohandas, Learned Government Pleader of Puducherry Thiru Ravi Kumar, Learned Government Law Officers of Puducherry and the Law Officers of Union of India, Thiru Amal Raj, Chairman of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Thiru S. Prabhakaran, the Vice Chairman of the Bar Council of India, Thiru Kamalnathan, President of the Madras Bar Association, Thiru Mohana Krishnan, President of the Madras High Court Advocate Association, Tirumadi Louis Al Ramesh, President of the Women Law Association, Thiru P. Selvaraj, President of the Law Association, and other law officers, office bearers of the respective associations, Registrar General Thiru P. Dhanapal, the officers and the staff of the Registry of the Madras High Court at the Principal Seat and the Bench at Madurai, fellow senior advocates and beloved junior advocates, representatives of the electronic and print media, and friends who are watching this online, ladies and gentlemen, Vanakkam. My sincere greetings to all of you. We have assembled today to welcome Honorable Justice Thiru Battu Devanand. He is from Honorable Andhra Pradesh High Court to this esteemed High Court of Madras. First, let me on behalf of the entire bar express my hearty congratulations on your appointment as a judge of this Honorable High Court. It is my privilege to welcome your Lordship to this distinguished Chartered High Court. I have a unique opportunity to welcome a new judge a day to this court for the last 2 consecutive working days. Your Lordship's assumption of office today has increased the sitting strength of the Honorable High Court to 61 as against the sanctioned strength of 75. His Lordship Justice Battu Devanand was born on April 14th, 1966. Baba Saheb Dr. Ambedkar was born on the very day 75 years back in 1891. His Lordship's parents, Thiru Battu Venkatratnam and Tirumadi Manoranjidam, served as government teachers. He hails from Gudivada town, Krishna district in Andhra Pradesh. He attended Panchayat Elementary School in Jami Dinta Kuru village and high school at Municipal School Gudivada. Thereafter, His Lordship pursued BA degree at ANR College Gudivada. He was chosen to serve as the President of the College Student Union in 1984 and 85. During his final year, Later, he studied BL degree course in the College of Law at Andhra University in Visakhapatnam. It's noteworthy that he had also held the position of President of the Andhra University Law College Students Union from 1988 to 89. Subsequently, His Lordship enrolled himself in the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh and started his law practice at district courts in Visakhapatnam under the training of Thiru M.K. Sitaramaya, Senior Advocate, Visakhapatnam. After a stint of law practice in Vizag, he shifted his practice to the Hon'ble High Court of Andhra Pradesh at Hyderabad. His Lordship served as an assistant government pleader in the High Court between 1996 and 2000. Also, he served as a counsel for various union government undertakings such as BSNL, New India Assurance Company Limited, Oriental Insurance Company Limited, United India Insurance Company Limited, State Bank of Hyderabad, and National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. During his private practice, His Lordship was well renowned for his pro bono work for the underprivileged and disadvantaged people. In 2006, he was elected as a member of the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh, where he held office such as a member of the Disciplinary Committee and member of the Andhra Pradesh Advocates Welfare Fund Committee. It is important to note that His Lordship handled a range of issues across the legal spectrum while serving as government pleader in the High Court between 2014 to 2019. He was elevated to the position of the Judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh on January 13, 2020. In addition to his professional achievements, I would like to acknowledge His Lordship's benevolence for spending the New Year's Eves at the old age home maintained by the Vijayawada Municipal Corporation with his family. To speak of His Lordship's judgments, I wish to state a few here. In the case of Kathupalli Venkata Soumya versus State of Andhra Pradesh, His Lordship held that the writ petition in contractual matters is maintainable if the work payment is arbitrarily withheld by the state government or its instrumentality, and consequently directed the petitioner is entitled to the principal amount along with interest for the loss caused due to illegal deprivation of right. In a public interest litigation, case name Kaka Ramakrishna versus State of AP, His Lordship stayed the operation of a GO prohibiting the conducting of the public meetings on public roads, as the same is contrary to the procedure provided under Section 30 of the Police Act 1861 and termed the state decision arbitrary and violative of Article 19(1)(a) and 19(1)(b) of the Constitution. While dealing with the case involving encroachment of burial grounds, His Lordship in Gotu Mukkala Rataya versus State of Andhra Pradesh held that the encroachments, if any, should be removed immediately and directed to allot the said land for burial ground, and further observed that, within quotes, it's very unfortunate that even after 70 years of independence, some sections of people of the society are facing difficulties even for funerals and lack of burial grounds and crematoriums. The right to dignity and respect ensured under Article 21 is not only available to a living man but also to his dead body, and resultantly directed that the state government and the local self-government shall make endeavour to provide burial grounds and crematorium irrespective of the region, religion, caste, gender, etc. to the deceased persons. Thiruvalluvar has appropriately said that in his Kural number 111, தகுதி என ஒன்று நன்றே பகுதியால் பார்ப்பட்டு ஒழுகப் பெறின். In English it means equity, which entails treating everyone equally, is a preeminent virtue. I believe your Lordship's proficiency in law, your experience as an officer of the High Court and as a member of the Bar Council of the state would strengthen the fine traditions of this High Court and also take the legal fraternity farther in our collective efforts to dispense justice to society. With these words, I assure your Lordship that the members of the bar will tender utmost assistance and sincere cooperation in every aspect of administration of justice. I once again extend a warm welcome to your Lordship on behalf of the bar in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. I wish your Lordship a good health and all success in your tenure. Thank you. Vanakkam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request the Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to give welcome address.
My Lord, Honorable Acting Chief Justice, under other Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court, judges, respected judges of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Batu Devanand, who has come from Andhra Pradesh High Court and taken oath today as a judge of the Madras High Court, and his family members, Mr. Shanmugh Sundaram, Advocate General, Mr. A.R. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General of India, all additional Advocate Generals, Mr. Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Muthu Kumar, Government Pleader, Mr. Mohan Das, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Public Prosecutor and Government Pleader of Puducherry, Mrs. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. Mohan Krishnan, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of and President, Madras High Court Advocate Association, Mr. V.R. Kamalnathan, Mrs. Louis Al Ramesh, Mr. Selvaraj, respected President of above said associations, Mr. Sri Rama Rao Ganta, the Chairman, Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Rajendran, former member of the Bar Council of India, other President Secretaries of all Bar Advocate Association, the State of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, senior advocates, member of the legal fraternity, good morning to all. It is a great honor for me to stand here today as a Chairman of the Bar Council to offer welcome address to the newly appointed judges of the prestigious Madras High Court. The Honorable Mr. Justice Batu Devanand got enrolled as an advocate on 6th day of July 1989. The Honorable Judge is a multifaceted personality, served as a government leader in Andhra Pradesh High Court, standing counsel for several central and state government institutions. In the year of 2006, the Honorable Judge was elected as a member of the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh, and during his tenure, he was holding several responsible posts and was elevated from the bar as Judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh on 13th day of January 2020. Since the Honorable Judge has served as a member of the Bar Council Andhra Pradesh, the Honorable Judge well realized about the difficulties faced by the advocates and hence very much concerned about the welfare of the legal fraternity at large. It is pertinent to denote that while the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh felicitating the Honorable Judge being elevated as the Judge of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, the Honorable Judge has stated that, I quote, "I may not be remembered as a great judge in history, but I will try to be remembered as a good judge," I unquote. Through the magnificent service rendered by the Honorable Judge in the Andhra Pradesh High Court, the Honorable Judge is not only remembered as a great judge, but also as good judge among the litigant public and the legal fraternity of the state. We are sure that the Honorable Judge will show the same gratitude towards the legal fraternity of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. A quote by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, "A great man is different from an eminent one, in that he is ready to be the servant of the society," end quote. This quote aptly applies to the Honorable Judge because the Honorable Judge has served as Students' Union President in A&R College and also in the Law College, which shows that since from the college days to till date, the Honorable Judge is philanthropic and a reformer, deeply concerned about the progress of the poor and downtrodden. Further, during the tenure as a Judge of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, within short span of the 3 years, 3 months, the Honorable Judge has disposed 8,289 cases, and in one day, he has disposed of 1,116 writ petitions. In a suo motu contempt case with regard to the construction of the village secretariat in the school premises, the Honorable Judge has observed that such construction affects the interest of the student and also affects the improvement on the quality of the education which is guaranteed under Article 21 and 21A of the Constitution, and ordered punishment to the contemner. When the contemner regretted for their mistakes, the Honorable Judge accepted the same and made them to visit the student welfare hostel to motivate them to arrange lunch or dinner by spending their personal money. The observation was made to make the contemner to realize the complication faced by the student and thereby eradicate the wrong in toto and inculcate righteous attitude among the wrongdoers. The Honorable High Court of Madras is one of the oldest High Court in India, established by letters patent granted by Her Majesty Queen Victoria on 26th day of the June 1962. Justices like P.V. Rajamanna, T. Muthuswamy Iyer, and many others have served as the judges of the Madras High Court. Several eminent judges from the prestigious High Court have been elevated as judges of the Honorable Supreme Court of India and also became the Chief Justice of India. The swearing of the Honorable Judge comes under the array of the judges today. In this occasion, I would like to denote that the Bar Council, more than 125,000 advocates have enrolled and nearly 85,000 advocates are actively practicing for the welfare of the legal fraternity. The Bar Council has introduced several welfare measures and conducting coaching classes for the judicial aspirants. Srimati Pratibha Patil, former President of India, has elaborated about the bench and bar relationship. I quote, "The bench and the bar are the two pillars on which the edifice of justice rests. Members are involved in the delivery of justice and in building a credible and upright judicial system, which evokes confidence and respect. Lawyers are trustees of justice. They have important duties to perform in ensuring the protection of law and avoidance injustice. For the furtherance of evoking confidence of the general public towards the judiciary and for building a credible judicial system, as the chairman of the Bar Council, I assure our fullest cooperation at all times for bar and bench relationship. On behalf of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry and on behalf of the entire legal fraternity, I once again welcome and wish the newly appointed Honorable Judge for the continued success in the future endeavor. Thank you, Vlad. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I request the President, Madras High Court Advocates Association, to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other companion judges of this Honorable High Court, Justice Hon'ble Rao from Andhra Pradesh High Court, Justice Rajasekhar from Andhra Pradesh High Court, Mr. R. Shanmugasundaram, Advocate General, Mr. R. Shankaranarayan, Additional Solicitor General, Mr. A.R.L. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Muthukumar, Government Pleader, Mr. K.S. Mohandas, Public Prosecutor, Puducherry, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Government Pleader, Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. Amul Raj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. V.R. Kamalanathan, President, Madras Bar Association, Mrs. Louisal Ramesh, President, Women Lives Association, Mr. Selvaraj, President, Law Association, Mr. Ganta Ramarao, Chairman, Andhra Pradesh Bar Council, Mr. Chandrasekhar Reddy and Brahmananda Reddy, members of Andhra Pradesh Bar Council, Mr. Rajendra Reddy, former Chairman, Andhra Pradesh Bar Council. My Lord, the Honorable Justice Bhattu Devanand, the largest bar in the country consisting several thousand members, the Madras High Court Advocate Association welcomes you, my Lord, to this great chartered High Court. Your Lordship's rich experience as a member of Bar Council and a disciplinary committee member of Andhra Pradesh Bar Council and as a judge of Andhra Pradesh High Court will take the Madras High Court to new heights. My Lord, we are glad that two popular judges of Telangana High Court and Andhra Pradesh High Court are now adorning this great chartered High Court. My Lord, we assure you that the Tamil Nadu will be your Lordship's second hometown. We assure, my Lord, that the bar will extend all its cooperation for the speedy disposal of cases. Once again, on behalf of Madras High Court Advocate Association, I welcome your Lordship to this great chartered High Court. Thank you, my Lord.
Thank you, sir. I request the President, Madras Bar Association, to give welcome address.
My Lord, Honorable Acting Chief Justice and company judges, my Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Bhattu Devanand, Honorable Judges of Andhra Pradesh High Court, family members of Justice Bhattu Devanand, my respected Advocate General Mr. R. Shanmugasundaram, Additional Solicitor Generals Mr. R. Shankar Narayan and Mr. A.R.L. Sundaresan, law officers of the state and central, Mr. P.S. Amalraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. G. Monakrishnan, President, Madras High Court Advocate Association and office bearers, Mr. Lucial Ramesh, President, Women Lawyer Association and its office bearers, Mr. P. Selvaraj, President, Law Association and its office bearers, the Bar Council members from Andhra Pradesh, Chairman of the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh, senior advocates and members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. On behalf of the Madras Bar Association, I have the greatest privilege and pleasure in extending your Lordship a warm and hearty welcome on your assumption of office as Honorable Judge of this Chartered High Court. Your Lordship's rich experience as representing the union, students union, and also in the law college union, and also represented the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh will definitely be very helpful for the bar members, and your Lordship, it shows that your Lordship will be bar friendly judge to all the members of the bar. And your Lordship, even before before elevation, your Lordship appeared on many cases on behalf of the poor and downtrodden, which shows the kindness of your Lordship towards the welfare of the needy people and the society. The Madras Bar Association assures the Honorable Judge that we will give our fullest cooperation in the discharge of your duty as the Judge of this Honorable High Court. Madras Bar Association wish the Honorable Judge a successful, satisfying and memorable tenure of office of our High Court. Thank you, Unandal. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, sir. I request the President, Women Lawyers Association, to give welcome address.
அனைவருக்கும் பணிவான காலை வணக்கம். காட்சிக்கெளியன் கடுஞ்சொலன் அல்லனேல் மீ கூறும் மன்னநிலம் என்ற குரலுக்கேற்ப எங்கள் காட்சிக்கு எளியவராய் கடுஞ்சொல் கூறாதவராய் எங்களின் கோரிக்கையை நிறைவேற்றுபவராய் என்றும் எங்களின் மரியாதைக்குரிய மை லார்ட் ஆனரபிள் ஆக்டிங் சீஃப் ஜஸ்டிஸ், அதர் கம்பேனியன் ஜட்ஜஸ், அட்வொகேட் ஜெனரல், அடிஷ்னல் அட்வொகேட் ஜெனரல், அடிஷ்னல் சாலிசிட்டர் ஜெனரல், ஸ்டேட் பப்ளிக் ப்ராசிக்யூட்டர் அண்ட் அதர் law officers, Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman All India Bar Council, President Madras High Court Advocate Association, President Madras Bar Association, President Law Association, former judges and family members of honorable judges and other dignitaries present here. On the special day on behalf of Women Lawyers Association, I am proud to extend my warm and humble welcome to Honorable Justice Thiru Battu Devanand to this great chartered High Court. It is apt to quote a world-renowned Thirukural in Tamil. வன்கண் குடிக்காத்தல் கற்றறிதல் ஆழ்வினையோடு ஐந்துடன் மாண்டது அமைச்சு. அஞ்சாமையும் குடிப்பிறப்பும் காக்கும் திறனும் கற்றறிந்த அறிவும் முயற்சியும் ஐந்தும் கொண்டது அறிவாம். In English, courage, determined mind, protection of people, learned wisdom and execution of law is called justice. On behalf of Women Lawyers Association, I once again proud to welcome Honorable Justice to this great chartered High Court. We are sure we will give our sincere prayers and support your Lordship. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, ma'am. I request the President, Law Association, to give welcome address.
Milord, Honorable Acting Chief Justice and his companion judges of this Honorable High Court, Milord, Honorable Mr. Justice Battu Devanand, Land Advocate General through R. Shanmugasundaram South Zone, Advocate General Tamil Nadu State, Land Additional Solicitor General South Zone through R. Sankaranarayanan, Land Additional Solicitor General for the High Court of Madras through ARL Sundaresan, Land Additional Advocate Generals, Land Public Prosecutors through Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, Government Pleader through Muthukumar, through Mohandas Public Prosecutor Pondicherry, through Ravi Kumar Ka, Government Pleader Pondicherry, and other law officers of the Honorable Madras High Court, through S. Prabhakaran, Senior Advocate, Vice Chairman of Bar Council of India, through P.S. Amalraj, Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, through Velu Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, through G. Mohankrishnan, President of Madras High Court Advocate Association, through V.R. Kamalanathan, President of the Madras Bar Association, Tirumadi Louisal Ramesh, President of Women Lawyers Association, and all office bearers of the respective associations, former judges of this Honorable High Court, and Andhra Pradesh High Court judges, government advocates, respected senior advocates, and other dignitaries, members of legal fraternity who are all present here and connected virtually. On behalf of the Law Association, I take this opportunity with a great pleasure to welcome Your Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice Battu Devanand, to this prestigious court and highly enlightened land of Tamil Nadu. It is always a special occasion when a new judge is sworn into this prestigious court. We are all sure that Your Lordship will have a very successful time at the High Court, and it is our earnest hope that Your Lordship will release you at the time at the Madras High Court. As the President of the Law Association, I assure you, Milord, our fullest cooperation in the discharge of your duty as the judge of this Honorable High Court. The Law Association wishes Your Lordship a successful tenure of office in our High Court. Once again, on behalf of Law Association, I welcome you, Milord, Mr. Justice Battu Devanand. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, sir. I request Honorable Thiru Justice Battu Devanand to give reply.
My Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, my learned brother and sister judges of the Chartered High Court of Madras, my good friends, Dr. Justice K. Manmadarao and Sri Justice Tarlada Rajshekar, judges of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Thiru R. Shanmugasundaram, Advocate General for the State of Tamil Nadu, Thiru P.S. Amalraj, Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Thiru Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman of Bar Council of India, Thiru G. Mohankrishnan, President Madras High Court Advocates Association, Thiru V.R. Kamalanathan, President Madras Bar Association, Tirumati Lucial Ramesh, President, Women Lawyers Association, Thiru P. Selvaraj, President, the Law Association, Thiru P. Dhanabal, Registrar General and other registrars, officers and staff of Madras High Court, Thiru R. Shankar Narayan, Additional Solicitor General for South, Thiru R. L. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General for High Court of Madras, Additional Advocate Generals, Public Prosecutors of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, government pleaders and other officers of central and state governments of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, learned senior advocates, members of the legal fraternity, representatives of print and electronic media, advocate clerks, security personnel. Thank you all for this warm welcome. I also thank some of my well-wishers who came here from state of Andhra Pradesh and state of Telangana. Sri Ganta Ramarao, Chairman, Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh. M. Rajendra Reddy, former Chairman of AP Bar Council in the combined state and former member of Bar Council of India. Sri Brahmananda Reddy and Chandrasekhar Reddy, Bar Council members of Andhra Pradesh. Judicial officers from Andhra Pradesh. My family members. I am not thanking my wife because she has to travel. Enter my life. My personal staff who worked with me in AP High Court. Sambasavaya, Personal Secretary, Pavan, Additional Personal Secretary, Personal Staff Ismail and Gopal, my Court Officer Babu Rao, Personal Security Officer Ramesh, my driver Nagaraju, all came here. Thank you for all of you. Number of advocates, friends, my well-wishers also came here to see this swearing ceremony, taking very pains. I am thankful to all of you. I am thankful to the members of the Supreme Court Collegium and the Government of India for providing opportunity to me to discharge my constitutional functions as Judge of the Madras High Court in the state of Tamil Nadu. I wholeheartedly thank Hon'ble Thiru T. Raja, the Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, for administering me the oath of office today. I thank the Land Advocate General and Presidents of the various bar associations for their kind words and best wishes bestowed upon me. It is a moment of joy and great privilege to become a member of the bench at this historically significant seat of justice, one of the oldest high courts, the Madras High Court, which has an impressive legacy of producing several stalwart jurists and legal luminaries. Today, I miss the presence of my parents. But to Venkataratnam and Srimati Manoranjitam, both are school teachers hailing from marginalized segments of a remote village in the erstwhile Madras Presidency in British India. There are no more. But the values, ethos and moral courage they have imbibed in me from my childhood are still acting as the guiding lamps in my journey throughout personal and professional life. As a Students' Union President during my degree college days and Andhra University Law College days, and as member Andhra Pradesh Bar Council, and later as a judge, I stood always on the side of truth and justice and strived for the benefit of the voiceless majority with fortitude and resilience, avoiding all sorts of temptations. I thank my parents, teachers and seniors for molding such a strong character in me. In a way, I feel like coming into the affectionate arms of a grandparent here from the lap of a parent. As my parent Andhra Pradesh High Court was way back carved out from this prestigious Madras High Court. Baba Sahib Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's interactions and deliberations with the great Periyar here in Tamil Nadu might have definitely reflected in some crucial pages of the primary law of the land, that is the Constitution of India. The legacy of such luminaries spills over throughout the course of legal history made by this august High Court. It has a unique contribution in shaping the laws of our nation. Friends, lawyers and judges are forever students of perpetually evolving subject of law. We must always be ready to upgrade our knowledge in a broad spectrum of subjects so as to be able to fulfill our roles as the custodians of the interest of all the stakeholders and as protectors and defenders of the sacred constitution of the nation. We, the people of India, are the true masters, and all the three branches of constitutional governance must serve ably to safeguard their interests. The former Chief Justice of India, Sri Justice G.B. Patnaik, while speaking 2 days back at the 75th anniversary celebration of the Orissa High Court, said that respect for the court and judicial system depends upon the way it satisfies the hope and aspirations of the common man, and keeping the scales of justice even in the legal combat between the rich and the poor, between the mighty and the weak, and between the state and the citizen. In my considered opinion, passing orders and rendering judgments is not only the duty of the courts and judges. Unless the orders are implemented in true letter and spirit, it is nothing but a waste paper. I discharged my functions for all these days without fear, favor, affection or ill will to uphold the majesty of the court. I assure I continue the same here also in the interest of the public and to uphold the majesty of the court and the constitution. Thank you for all for this warm welcome.
Thank you, my lord. May I conclude the proceedings, my lord?
Last, just. With these few words, I conclude. Thank you once again for your warm and cordial welcome. Ellarukkum vanakkam. Andarki namaskaram. Jai Hind.
Thank you, my lord. May I conclude the proceedings, my lord? National anthem.